Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can delete video watch history on TikTok. So let me show you how. Just open the TikTok apps and then go to profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner, select settings and privacy. Swipe up and select watch history, and here appear all the videos that we have watched, and you can click select in the top right corner and select your videos that you want to delete, or you can select or watch history in the bottom and click delete. So for example, I select this video and click delete in the low right corner and then click delete. So it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.